Hello kids! Let's learn some colors. Yellow color, black color, brown color, sky blue color, pink color, purple color, violet color, dark green color, red color, orange color, dark blue color. Let's learn some alphabets. A for apple. B for ball. C for cake. D for doll. E for eggplant. F for flowers. G for grapes. A B C D E F G H for horse. I for ice cream. J for juice. K for kite. L for lollipop. M for moon. N for nuts. H I J K L M N A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O for orange. P for pineapple. Q for queen. R for rainbow. S for star. T for train. U for uniform. O P Q R S T U V. V for violin. W. W for watermelon. X. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zero. V. W. X. Y. Z. O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye. Hello guys. Black color, orange color, dark blue color, light green color, purple color, yellow color, red color, dark green color, pink color, sky blue color, violet color. Let's learn to count some numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 0. 0 balls. Number 1. One ball. Number 2. Two balls. Number 3. One, two, three. 3 balls. Number 4. One, two, three, 4. 4 balls. Number 5. One, two, three, 4, 5. 5 balls. 5. One, two, three, 4, 5. 5 balls. 5 plus 5 equal 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 balls. Number 6. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 6 equal 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 plus 6 equal 10. Number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 plus 7 equal 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3 plus 7 equal 10. Number 8. Two plus 8 equal 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 plus 8 equal 10. Number 9. One plus 9 equal 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 plus 9 equal 10. Number 10. Number 10. 0 plus 10 equal to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 0 plus 10 equal to 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.